Belém, Amazon, Brazil, the famous Vero-Peso market. Jack is walking. He sees fruits he has never seen before. He stops at a small stand. A woman is serving something purple and cold. He points and says, "One, please." She hands him a cup of pure acai. He takes one sip. His eyes say everything. Stay with us.
Floxen English Podcast.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Floxen English, where English flows naturally. I'm Jack.
And I'm Sarah. Hello, everyone. Really happy to be here today.
Sarah, I have to tell you something.
What is it?
I just came back from a trip.
Oh, nice. Where did you go?
Brazil.
Brazil! Jack, that is amazing. How was it?
It was incredible, but the best part was the food.
Tell me everything.
Everything?
Everything. I love food stories.
Okay, so I visited 3 cities: Salvador, Belo Horizonte, and Belém.
3 cities. 3 very different places.
Very different, and the food in each city, completely different.
Start from the beginning. Salvador first.
Okay, Salvador. The first day, I was walking on the street, and I saw a woman. She was frying something in a big pan.
On the street?
On the street, right there, a big pan of hot oil, and she was making these small round things.
What were they?
I did not know, but they smelled incredible. So I stopped. I pointed and said, "One, please."
Of course you did.
She gave me one. It was warm, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, filled with something spicy and delicious.
What was it?
It is called Acarajé.
Acarajé. And what is it exactly?
It is a small ball made from black-eyed beans, fried in dende oil, that is a special red palm oil from Brazil. And inside, it has vatapá. Think of it like a yellow cream, very tasty, and dried shrimp.
A yellow cream inside a fried ball. That sounds really good.
Really good. I ate 3 of them. Standing on the street.
3! You were hungry.
Or they were just very, very good.
Both, probably.
Both, probably. And then, the same day, I tried moqueca baiana.
Moqueca. What is that?
It is a stew with fish or shrimp cooked in a clay pot with dende oil again and coconut milk.
Coconut milk in a stew?
Yes, it sounds strange, but it is warm, rich, and full of flavor. I ate it with white rice.
That combination sounds really good, actually.
It was, and the clay pot, they bring it to the table, still bubbling.
Oh, I love that. When the food is still cooking at the table.
It felt very special, like a celebration.
And the second city. Belo Horizonte.
Belo Horizonte was different, more simple food, but still incredible.
Like what?
Okay, first question. Do you know pão de queijo?
Pão de queijo? Cheese bread?
Yes, cheese bread, but not normal bread. It is made with cassava starch and Minas cheese. Cassava is a root, like a potato, very common in Brazil, and the bread is crispy outside, soft and chewy inside.
I have had pão de queijo before. It is so good.
In Belo Horizonte, it is everywhere. Every bakery, every cafe, every street corner.
That is their city.
That is their city. I ate maybe 10 in one day.
10!
They are small and perfect, and I could not stop.
I understand that completely.
And then I tried feijão tropeiro.
Feijão tropeiro. What is that?
Feijão means beans in Portuguese, and tropeiro, it comes from the word for a person who travels long distances with animals, like a cowboy.
So it is a cowboy dish.
Exactly. Food made for people who traveled far. Simple ingredients, very filling.
What is in it?
Beans, cassava flour, sausage, bacon, eggs, and kale.
All mixed together?
All mixed together. It sounds simple, but the flavor is deep and smoky.
Comfort food.
The best comfort food. I ate a big plate, and I did not want to move after.
I know that feeling very well.
And for dessert, doce de leite.
Oh, dulce de leite. Milk caramel.
You know it?
Everyone knows dulce de leche. It is one of the best things in the world.
I agree completely. In Minas Gerais, they make it rich and delicious. I ate it with a spoon, from the jar.
From the jar!
There was no time for plates.
That is the right way to eat dulce de leche.
Hey, before we continue, if you are enjoying this, please subscribe to Floxen English.
Yes, and give us a like. And leave a comment. Tell us your favorite food. We read every comment.
Okay, now, the third city, Belém.
In the north of Brazil.
Yes, and the food there, Sarah, it was like nothing I have ever tried before.
Tell me.
First, açaí.
Oh, I know acai. I drink it all the time. With granola and banana.
No. Stop right there.
What?
That is not how they eat açaí in Belém.
Really?
Really. In Belém, açaí is pure. No sugar, no granola, no banana.
Pure acai?
Yes, the fruit from the Amazon is very fresh, and when it is fresh, the flavor is deep and a little bitter, natural, real.
So the acai we drink everywhere else in the world.
Has sugar and other things added. The real açaí from Belém is completely different. The fresher the fruit, the better the flavor.
I want to try the real one now.
If you go to Belém, you must try it.
And what else?
Tacacá.
Tacacá. I never heard of this.
It is a traditional dish from the indigenous people of the Amazon. They serve it hot, in a gourd, like a bowl made from a dried plant.
A gourd?
Yes, a natural container, like a cup from nature.
Okay, and what is inside?
A hot broth made from cassava, tapioca, dried shrimp, and jambu.
Jambu. What is jambu?
Jambu is a herb, a special leaf, and when you eat it, your mouth starts to tingle.
Tingle? Like a strange feeling?
Yes, like a small electric feeling on your lips and tongue.
That sounds a little scary.
It sounds scary, but it is actually very pleasant, like a light buzzing. And the hot broth, the shrimp, the tingle, all together.
That is a very unique experience.
The most unique food experience of my whole trip. I stood on the street, holding my gourd, feeling my lips tingle, and thinking, this is incredible.
I love that image.
And then I tried manichoba.
Manitoba.
They call it the feijoada of Pará. It is made from cassava leaves. But here is the interesting part.
What?
The cassava leaves are poisonous when fresh.
Poisonous.
Yes, the leaves have a natural poison. So they cook them for 5 to 7 days to remove the poison completely.
5 to 7 days of cooking.
5 to 7 days. And then it is safe and delicious. Served with rice and cassava flour.
That is incredible. The patience to cook something for 7 days.
It is love. Real love for food.
It really is.
And one more thing about Belém.
What?
The ice cream shops.
Ice cream?
Yes, in Belém, there are ice cream shops with flavors from the Amazon. Fruits that you can only find there. Cupuaçu, bacuri, tapereba, açaí ice cream.
Flavors that do not exist anywhere else in the world.
Only there. Fresh Amazon fruits, turned into ice cream. I tried 5 different flavors in one afternoon.
5!
I had no choice. They were all new to me. I had to try all of them.
That is the best reason to eat 5 ice creams. Okay, Jack, now it is my turn.
Where did you go?
Mexico!
Mexico! I love Mexican food.
Everyone loves Mexican food, but the real Mexican food in Mexico is something different.
Tell me.
I visited 3 cities too: Mexico City, Oaxaca, and Puebla.
3 iconic cities.
Very iconic. Mexico City first.
What did you try?
The first thing, tacos al pastor. You know tacos, right?
Tacos are thin tortillas made from corn or wheat filled with meat like beef, pork, chicken, or fish, right?
Exactly. And tacos al pastor are a special kind of taco. The meat is pork, marinated for hours, then cooked on a vertical spit, like a big rotating cone of meat.
I have seen that, like shawarma from the Middle East.
Exactly. Actually, tacos al pastor came from Lebanese immigrants who brought shawarma to Mexico, and the Mexicans made it their own.
That is a beautiful food story.
It is. And the flavor, smoky, sweet, spicy, all at the same time, with pineapple on top.
Pineapple on meat? That yellow fruit, sweet and juicy?
Yes, that one. Do not judge until you try it.
Okay, I will not judge.
And I also tried tlacoyo.
Tlacoyo, tell me about that.
It is one of the oldest street foods in Mexico. Made from blue corn dough, shaped like an oval, filled with beans or cheese.
Blue corn?
Blue corn, yes. The dough is a deep purple-blue color, beautiful to look at.
And the taste?
Earthy, dense, very satisfying. I ate it standing next to a woman who was making them by hand.
By hand, right there on the street.
Right there. Pressing the dough, filling it, cooking it on a flat pan. In 5 minutes, my tlacoyo was ready.
That is the best kind of food.
The best. And I also tried quesadilla,
Oh, I know quesadilla.
but not the ones we know from other countries. In Mexico City, a quesadilla is made with a fresh corn tortilla, folded in half, filled with cheese and cooked on a flat pan until the cheese melts inside.
That sounds simple and perfect.
Simple and perfect. The tortilla is soft and warm. The cheese is melted and a little smoky. I ate 2 of them standing on the street.
Street food again.
Always street food. The best food is always on the street.
And then Oaxaca.
Oaxaca is famous for its food. I tried tlayuda first.
What is tlayuda?
Imagine a very large tortilla, crispy on the edges, soft in the middle, covered with beans, cheese, meat, and vegetables.
Like a big, flat pizza.
Like a big, flat Mexican pizza, but with more flavor. The cheese in Oaxaca is special. It stretches like string cheese.
I love stretchy cheese.
Everyone loves stretchy cheese.
And what else in Oaxaca?
Okay, this one is interesting. Chapulines.
Chapulines. What is that?
Grasshoppers.
Grasshoppers?
Yes, insects. Toasted, with salt, garlic, lime, and chili.
You ate insects?
I ate insects, and they were actually really good. Crunchy, salty, a little spicy, like a very unusual snack.
I am impressed, Sarah.
I was nervous, but the woman at the market just put them in my hand and said, "Try it." So I tried it.
That is brave.
Or hungry, one of the two.
And Puebla. The last city.
Puebla was special. 2 dishes I will never forget.
Tell me.
First, chiles en nogada.
Chiles en nogada. It is beautiful to look at.
Very beautiful. A large pepper, stuffed with meat and fruit, covered in a white walnut cream sauce, with red pomegranate and green herbs on top.
Green, white, and red, like the Mexican flag.
Exactly. It is a patriotic dish, made to represent the colors of Mexico.
Food and culture together.
Perfectly together. The flavor is sweet and savory at the same time. The fruit inside the pepper, the cream sauce, the crunch of the pomegranate.
That sounds incredible.
It was one of the most beautiful and delicious things I have ever eaten.
And the second dish?
Mole poblano.
The famous mole.
The most famous, a dark and rich sauce, made from dried chilies, spices, fruit, and chocolate.
Chocolate in a sauce for meat?
Chocolate in a sauce for turkey or chicken. It sounds strange, but it works perfectly.
How long does it take to make?
Days. Some families have recipes with more than 30 ingredients, passed down for generations.
30 ingredients.
30 ingredients, all toasted, cooked slowly. The result is something deep and complex, sweet and spicy and smoky all at once.
That is not just food. That is art.
That is art, and history, and culture, all in one plate.
You know, I think about all this food and I feel grateful.
Grateful.
Yes, for traveling, for trying things I did not know, for saying yes when someone offers me something strange.
Like the Acarajé on the street.
Like the Acarajé and the tacacá with the tingling lips.
And my grasshoppers.
And your grasshoppers. These are experiences you cannot get at home.
You have to go. You have to be open.
Open and a little brave.
A little brave. And a little hungry.
Always a little hungry.
And to everyone listening, food is one of the best ways to understand a culture. When you eat the food of a place, you understand something about the people.
Something that words cannot explain.
Exactly.
Okay, time for homework.
Go to the comments and tell us about your favorite food from your country.
Write 1 or 2 sentences. For example, my favorite food in Brazil is feijoada. Or, my favorite food in Colombia is bandeja paisa. Or, my favorite food in Japan is ramen.
We want to know what people eat around the world. Leave a comment below.
And please subscribe to Floxen English if you have not yet.
Give us a like. Share with a friend who is learning English.
Sarah, I feel like I just traveled to Mexico with you.
Tell me what you remember.
Tacos al pastor from a street corner in Mexico City. Tlacoyo made by hand from blue corn. Quesadilla with melted cheese. Grasshoppers in Oaxaca that were actually delicious. Chiles en nogada with the colors of the Mexican flag. And mole poblano, 30 ingredients, days of cooking.
Perfect. And I traveled to Brazil with you.
Tell me.
Acarajé on the street in Salvador, with vatapá, that yellow cream, inside. Moqueca baiana bubbling in a clay pot. Pão de queijo, 10 in one day. Feijão tropeiro, the cowboy dish. Doce de leite from the jar. Pure açaí in Belém. Natural and a little bitter. Tacacá with tingling lips. Manichoba, cooked for 7 days. And Amazon ice cream in 5 different flavors.
5 flavors.
5 flavors in one afternoon.
2 countries, so many flavors, so many stories.
And all of it in English.
That is Floxen English. Thank you everyone for listening today. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.